What if I told you that you never have to record a single piece of content again, and that the content you never recorded is the exact reason people are booking calls with you and paying for your services? I know that sounds like something a guru would say right before he tries to sell you a $997 course. So let me earn it. I'm 25 years old. I run an AI avatar agency doing $30,000 a month consistently. I turned down a $70,000 a year job at Boeing to build this, and the entire thing runs on content I never filmed. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use and the system I build for my clients that uses Claude and HeyGen to generate Instagram content, grow an audience, and turn that audience into booked calls and paying clients. If you've been meaning to post more consistently and just keep not doing it, this video is going to change that today. Here's the uncomfortable truth about Instagram for coaches and agency owners. The algorithm doesn't care how good your offer is. It doesn't care how many years of experience you have. It cares about one thing. Are you showing up consistently? The businesses that win on Instagram aren't necessarily the most talented. They're the most consistent. And most founders, including me before I figured this out, lose that game the second life gets busy. You've been meaning to post more content for months, but you don't. The founders posting 3 to 5 times a week right now are building an audience that trusts them, follows them, and eventually books a call with them. The ones posting whenever they have time, invisible. The good news is consistency is now a systems problem, not a willpower problem, and systems can be solved. So here's what I actually built and what I build for clients. We create a hyper-realistic AI avatar trained on your actual face and your actual voice, not a generic AI narrator, not a robot, you as you actually look and sound, generated from a script without you ever having to pick up a camera. The stack is 4 tools: HeyGen for the video avatar, 11 Labs for voice cloning, Claude for scripting, and Higgsfield for additional AI video elements when we need them. That's it. No complex tech, no editing software for the client to learn, no scheduling a filming day. Once the avatar is built, we write the scripts, generate the videos, and deliver them ready to post. You approve the direction once, and the content just keeps coming every single month. Now, I'm going to break down exactly how each piece of this works. The first step is creating the avatar itself, and there are 2 parts to this: your visual clone and your voice clone. For the visual side, we use HeyGen. You record 4 to 5 minutes of yourself talking, following their specific guidelines, upload it, and HeyGen builds your avatar from that footage. That's all the filming you'll ever have to do. Once the avatar exists, you never have to show up on camera again for that content. For the voice, we use 11 Labs. You upload at least 45 minutes to an hour of yourself talking, ideally in the same tone and style you use on social media, and 11 Labs creates what they call a professional voice clone. This is what makes the difference between an AI video that sounds robotic and one that actually sounds like you. Then you connect the two. There's a simple API key integration inside HeyGen that lets you import your 11 Labs voice directly into the platform. Once that's set up, every video HeyGen generates uses your actual cloned voice. The visual and the audio match. It's seamless. The first time most clients see their avatar, they genuinely can't believe it.
I couldn't believe, I'm like, wow, first try too. And it does look like me. It's very crazy.
That reaction's pretty common. Most people mess this next part up. They build the avatar, think the hard part's done, and then they sit down to write a script and have no idea what to say. This is where Claude comes in. Claude's the AI I use to generate all the scripts for this system, both for my own channel and for my clients. I've built a custom workflow inside Claude that takes in everything about your offer, your audience, your voice, and your positioning, and generates a full month of content ideas plus complete scripts for each one. The key is the input. The more specific you are about who you are, what you do, who you help, and what makes your offer different, the better the scripts. I tell clients to voice note everything, dump it all in, let Claude work from that raw material instead of trying to make everything sound polished. From there, we review every script and add the human touches that keep it authentic. Specific phrases you actually use, real examples from your business, slang, shorter sentences, the way you actually talk. Because when you're using an AI avatar, the scripting is what keeps it feeling real. That's where the personality lives now. If this system's starting to make sense and you want to see what it'd look like built for your business specifically, click the first link in the description to book a call with my team. We'll walk you through it. Now, let me show you the next part, how we actually monetize this. So you've got the avatar, you've got the scripts, you're posting consistently. Now what? This is the part most tutorials skip, and it's the most important part. Views don't pay the bills, clients do. The way this system converts is through what I call a content to call funnel. Every single piece of content is built around a specific pain point your ideal client has. It speaks directly to them. It makes them feel like you understand their problem better than anyone else they follow. And at the end, there's a clear, simple next step. That next step is either a lead magnet, something specific and valuable they can grab right now that moves them closer to hiring you, or a direct call to book a discovery call. We use both at different points in the funnel. The leads that come from organic content on Instagram close at a dramatically higher rate than cold ad traffic. These are people who've watched multiple videos, who already trust you before they ever get on a call, who come in pre-sold on the idea that you know what you're talking about. That's why my show rate is at 90% with a 65% 95% close rate. The funnel's not complicated, it just has to be there. Without it, you're building an audience that admires you but never buys. With it, consistent content becomes a consistent lead machine. Let me be direct about this part. I made around $300,000 last year selling AI avatar systems to business owners. A meaningful chunk of that came directly from Instagram content that my AI avatar posted while I was doing other things. This isn't a theory I'm pitching to you, it's the actual operation I run. My working hours have gone down while my revenue's gone up because I'm not spending those hours filming, editing, or thinking about what to post. The system handles the content. My team handles delivery. I handle strategy and closing. I've built this same system for clients across coaching, consulting, and agency businesses. One of my clients came to me with a brand new coaching offer they were launching and needed a content system in place to generate leads and funnel them towards a webinar he was hosting in 4 weeks. So we built the whole organic funnel from the ground up, posted content every single day, generated thousands of leads for the webinar, where he made $21,000 within 3 hours of launching his new offer. All of that was possible because of the consistent content we were able to run on autopilot for him in a matter of weeks. The pattern's consistent. Once the content volume goes up and the funnel's in place, inbound leads follow. This is also why I run AIGA, a program where I teach people to build this exact type of agency themselves. The model's teachable because it's systematic, not because it requires some unique talent that only I have. So to pull this together, HeyGen for the visual avatar, 11 Labs for the voice clone, Claude for the scripts, and a real content to call funnel so the views actually turn into revenue. You never have to film again. Your audience grows consistently. Your leads come in pre-warm and your close rate goes up because people already trust you before they pick up the phone. If you're making over $10,000 a month in your coaching or agency business, but you're struggling to post consistently because you don't have the time or you hate being on camera, this is the exact problem my team solves. So click the first link in the description to book a free discovery call. We'll look at your current content situation, show you what an AI avatar system would look like for your business specifically, and if it's a fit, my team builds the whole thing for you. You don't touch it. There's also a free lead magnet in the description if you want to go deeper on the system before booking a call. Grab that as well. I only take on a limited number of new clients at a time because I want every single one to actually get results. If you think this could be a fit, the link's below. And if you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe. I post content every week on how businesses are actually using AI avatars to grow. And yeah, thanks for watching. And as always, take care.